Hey guys, what I'm going to do today is tell you really quickly how to fix AmazeOwl's miniature look here. So on my computer, no matter what I do, I can grab this, expand it, but what happens is this stays small on the inside, so I can't read it unless I'm just right up to this. And I've got a 4K monitor, so it's even worse. It's just tiny. I tried pressing Control and the plus on the number keypad, and that did not work, and I'll show you. So I hit the Control button, and over here on the number keypad there was a plus and a minus, and it didn't do anything. So what you absolutely want to do is you press Control, hold it down, and then hit the equal sign, which is also going to have the plus sign. For some reason it doesn't work on the keypad, but it does work right next to that backspace button. So you notice that by doing this, I've now made AmazeOwl very large, and I can visually see, I can sit back now and visually see things that I'm interested in. If this was any help for you, don't forget to like and subscribe. I've got plenty of videos that I do daily about different product ideas and how to source them on Amazon, and that's pretty much my journey. So we will see you guys in the next video.